Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, money plant is the most common and popular house plant that we can easily spot around us, and its heart-shaped leaves make it more beautiful and attractive. So in today's video we are going to show two proven methods to grow big leaves on your money plant. And if you also wish to grow big leaves on your money plant, then please see this video till the end for knowing the complete information. Let's start with some of the most interesting fact about money plant, that money plant is a plant of the arum family. It is an evergreen plant which required very less maintenance to thrive for a long time as compared to any other green plant. Also, it is known as many other names like pothos, golden pothos, Ceylon creeper, hunter robe, ivy arum, silver vine, Solomon Island ivy, marble queen and devil's ivy. But the most common name is money plant. Now let's come to the main topic, that how we can grow big leaves on our money plant. So here you need to understand one scientific fact, that the money plant leaf size completely depends on the broadness of the stem on which they are growing. Means if the stem of the money plant will be less broad, then the size of its leaf will be also small. And if the stem will be more broad or wider, then the leaf size also be big and large. And as soon as the stem broadness will increase, the leaf size will automatically increase. So for growing big leaves on our money plant, it is most important to make its stem wider, otherwise the leaf size will never increase. And now we will explain two proven methods by which we can make our money plant's stem broader to grow big leaves on it. The first way is that we should climb our money plant with the support of any wall. And when we grow money plant with the support of any wall, then its area roots work like an anchor and strongly stick with the supported wall surface and start getting food from the anchored area. Slowly the roots become more stronger and our money plant's stem become more wider, and later on it started growing big leaves on our money plant. And here you can see our money plant which is growing with the support of the wall area. Here you can easily see that our money plant's roots are strongly stick with the wall surface and the stem is also much wider. And due to the strong and wider stem, it is also growing big leaves on it. So if you also wish to grow big leaves on your money plant, then you can also grow your money plant with the support of any wall surface. This will help you to grow big leaves on your money plant. The second method is that we can grow our money plant with the support of the long size moss stick or coir stick. When we grow our money plant with the support of the long stick, then the money plant's aerial roots start making space between the stick fibers and slowly they strongly bound with them. This way they start getting their food from the bounded area. This step helped the money plant to make the stem wider and stronger, and later on it started growing big leaves on it. Here you can see our money plant which is growing with the support of the moss stick, and here you can also see the root formation which is strongly bounded with the stick fibers. Due to this, our money plant's stem is become much wider and growing big leaves on it. So if you also wish to grow big leaves on your money plant, then you can also use this method and grow the money plant with the support of any moss stick or coir stick. Apart from this, we should also use a good nitrogen based fertilizer on our money plant so that the nutrient requirement for growing big leaves become fulfilled. And we should use this good fertilizer at least once per 15 days to get the quick result. So these were the two proven methods to grow big leaves on your money plant, and I hope this information will help you. And for any query you can direct write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.